Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the brand new Xiaomi Poco M8, a smartphone that comes with a modern design, a large AMOLED display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, and a massive 5,520 mAh battery. At first glance, this phone already looks quite premium for its class. Poco is also bringing several interesting features like a 120Hz refresh rate display, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, up to 512GB storage, and even IP66 plus IP65 water and dust resistance. So in this video, let's take a closer look at what the Xiaomi Poco M8 has to offer for everyday use. Starting from the design, the Xiaomi Poco M8 comes with a clean and modern look. The back uses a plastic material with a matte-style finish, while the front is protected by glass. Even though the frame is still plastic, the overall build still feels solid in the hand. This phone weighs around 178 grams with a thickness of only 7.4 millimeters, so it still feels slim and comfortable for daily use. Poco also includes better durability this time. The phone already supports IP66 and IP65 ratings for dust and water resistance, plus drop resistance up to 1.7 meters. Moving to the display, this is one of the most interesting parts of the Poco M8. The phone uses a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution at 1080 by 2392 pixels. The screen already supports a 120Hz refresh rate, so animations and scrolling feel very smooth. What's impressive here is the brightness level. Poco claims up to 3200 nits peak brightness, which should help a lot when using the phone outdoors under sunlight. The display also supports HDR and 3840Hz PWM dimming, making the viewing experience feel more comfortable, especially at night. For protection, the screen is covered by Mohs Level 6 protection. Now let's talk about performance. The Xiaomi Poco M8 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process. This chipset uses an octa-core CPU with Cortex-A78 performance cores and Cortex-A55 efficiency cores. For graphics, it uses the Adreno 710 GPU. In daily use, this setup should feel smooth for social media, multitasking, video streaming, and casual gaming. The combination of Android 15 and HyperOS 2 also makes the overall experience feel modern and responsive. Another good thing is Poco promises up to 4 major Android updates, which is quite nice for long-term usage. For memory and storage, the Poco M8 comes in several variants. There are 6GB and 8GB RAM options, while the storage choices include 128GB, 256GB, and even 512GB. If that's still not enough, Poco also provides a microSD card slot for additional storage expansion. Moving to the camera section, the Poco M8 uses a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture. For everyday photography, this camera should be capable enough for social media uploads, casual photos, and daily moments. The camera also supports HDR and panorama features. For video recording, the rear camera can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is pretty nice for a phone in this category. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera that can also record at 1080p up to 60 FPS. For audio, the Poco M8 already comes with stereo speakers supported by Dolby Atmos. The sound quality should feel more immersive when watching videos, gaming, or listening to music. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack anymore, so users will need wireless earphones or a USB-C adapter. For connectivity, the phone supports 5G networks, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, depending on the region, and also an infrared blaster. Now for the battery, the Xiaomi Poco M8 packs a large 5,520 mAh battery. With this battery size, combined with the efficient Snapdragon chipset, the phone should comfortably last all day for normal usage. Charging is also quite fast, thanks to 45-watt wired charging support. Poco even includes 18-watt reverse wired charging, allowing the phone to charge other devices when needed. Overall, the Xiaomi Poco M8 offers a pretty complete package with a modern AMOLED display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, capable Snapdragon chipset, stereo speakers, large battery, and long software support. For everyday users who want a smartphone with balanced features and a modern design, the Poco M8 definitely looks quite interesting to check out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.